Yeah, so Hirose is not only focused on creating sustainable products, we're also focused on the manufacturing side by conserving water, using sustainable materials, but also smart manufacturing processes within our plants and factories. So smart manufacturing is the future. Hirose is developing different types of technologies to meet that future by designing specific connectors for smart factories or smart manufacturing. So we're focusing on specific applications like mobile robots, or we'll design specific connectors for the batteries or the motors, or to design specifically to meet those market needs.